So today I'm going to be teaching you how to record things that you're doing on your phone or your computer. It's a fairly simple process. So basically all you do is go to your Play Store, whether it be from your computer or from your phone, and type in screen recorder. Several different options are gonna pull up. I personally chose the second option. I like that one better for whatever reason, but all of them are fairly simple. Once you download it and accept the permissions or whatever, you just go ahead and record, and then when you're done, you stop. And once you hit that stop button, the file by default normally saves to your videos folder. Inside the videos folder, there's usually a folder by the name of the application that you downloaded, and your videos should record there. I enjoyed making this video for you guys today. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, comment, share. If there's anything else you would like me to show you how to do, just leave a comment and I will see if I can make that video for you. Thanks for watching. As I was editing this video, I realized that I said I downloaded the second screen recorder, and I actually downloaded the third one. If you look at the video to the right, I think it's to the right, the other video on the screen, you will see that I downloaded the one with the blue icon. I do like that one a lot better. It has like some other features in it, even if you don't get the premium, it does have some cool features like video editing. I think it has like a voice changer, just some cool little features I like about it. So I just wanted to clear that up. I didn't want to give you all any false information. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Okay, we're done for real this time, you guys, for this video.